Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe Tax for online creators. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Stripe Tax, start by visiting the Stripe website. Click on the Start Now button to create a new account. If you already have a Stripe account, log in using your existing credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the tax section in the dashboard. Click on Get Started to begin setting up Stripe Tax. Review the overview of the services provided by Stripe Tax and click Next. Select your business type from the options provided. Fill in your business information, including your name and address. Provide your tax identification number when prompted. Choose the countries where you operate and collect sales tax. Specify the types of products or services you sell. Review the tax settings offered by Stripe and configure them according to your business needs. If applicable, enable automatic sales tax calculation for your products. Next, link your payment methods by selecting from the options listed. Confirm that your banking information is accurate for payouts. Once all information is entered, review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Click Submit to complete your registration with Stripe Tax. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your registration. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email to finalize your setup. After registration, familiarize yourself with the Stripe Tax dashboard for ongoing management. Explore support resources and documentation available within your Stripe account for further assistance. With that, you are now ready to use Stripe Tax for your online business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.